Louise Redknapp rocked a police officer's hat and a high-vis jacket as she cheekily posed with some handcuffs on her Instagram. "Right boys," she announced jokily as she clinked the handcuffs together authoritatively. After a nail-biting third and final season, Happy Valley is finally coming to an end this weekend. Louise joined Lorraine Kelly on her show this morning to discuss the buzz around the series, with the pair both noting how Sarah Lancashire's character Catherine Cowwood had become something of a style icon. Happy Valley concludes this Sunday at 9 p.m. on BBC One.